The body scan is a very effective tool that helps and supports you, your students, with the awareness within the body. So it's all about creating a safe space where you feel that you can be with sensations. So we're expanding our capacity to be with sensations, recognize them, and detach from them. That means that you're not going to think, oh, this is good or this is bad, but you rather stick to sensation and increase your freedom by reducing reactivity. So even if a sensation is uncomfortable, there's not an immediate tendency to move away from it. Instead, the capacity to remain with it, and possibly, of course, we can adjust a little bit, but we learn to stay with the sensation. The body scan, the very important for it, that is that we can do it seated down, but we can also do it laying down. If a person or if you have a lot of physical tension, it might be even effective to do it in a reclined position. If you do choose to sit, it is important, most important, to sit upright. So possibly you want to support the buttocks with a block, or even sit against the wall so you avoid the posterior tilt. So you don't want to round like this. You really want to create some length in the spine. So sit up tall, the hands can be wherever you want them to be, and closing the eyes is accessible, but not for everyone. Some people don't feel safe to shut the eyes completely. Then the recommendation is to just look to one point and focus the mind. You can often see it if a person's eyes is moving very quickly, means that they are in this trigger state. So then it's not always feeling safe to close the eyes. So just try to focus on one point and always use very inviting cues. So I'm inviting you to find a comfortable position, just relaxing the shoulders back and down, closing the eyes or keeping them slightly open, but just trying to focus the gaze. And then you use your breath as an anchor. So either you stay with your natural breath or you emphasize your exhalations to truly connect your awareness to the earth. So whether you're sitting on the bed or on the floor, whatever is the surface to the ground, you try on each exhalation to come down. So you feel the physicality as you try and keep the senses open, which helps you to really connect with this moment. So you can hear, you can feel the touch of your skin to the surroundings. There's the taste and the smell. And even the sight, even with the eyes closed, you have this awareness, this 360-degree awareness on the space where you find yourself. And then instead of, again, bringing this attachment, you just try to enhance your sense of freedom. Just notice and detach. Breathe. And then try to bring that same awareness, the same presence to your own physical sensations. So allow them to be, and as you inhale, you notice sensations in the top part of the body, the lower part of the body, the sides. And trying to just stay with your smooth breathing rhythm, natural R. Again, emphasizing the exhales. There's the different sections of pranayamas that we can use to amplify the practice, amplify the effects of the practice, but for now just stay as natural as you can and use this introductory body scan to set up a practice that then can be translated and applied to all the other poses you'll be doing. Take a few more moments and use the exhalations to soften in the body. Even if the physical sensation remains, you can reduce the reactivity on it, so you can just notice without judgment. And then after a few breaths, you can simply continue with another practice or go straight into one of the positions. Thank you.